Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all to yet another math online session. In today's module, we are going to discuss about representing fractions as decimals. See, we already know how to represent if the denominator is 10, 100,000. We know how to represent such fractions as decimal. So what we do here we have a few examples, and first you see 7231 upon 10. In this case, we shift one decimal place. Look at according to the number of 0. In the first case, the denominator here it is 10. So 1 0 is there. So we shift the decimal place 1 from right to left one place. So the answer would be 723.1. So make sure that the number of 0 in denominator and number of decimal place are same. So in 10 1 0 is there. So in the decimal part one decimal place is there. So that is correct. And now second one 7231 upon 100. So in 100 two zeros are there. So in the decimal representation there should also have two decimal places. So from left side, from right to left, we go for two places. So we get the answer as 72.31. Look at there, in 100 20. So there are two decimal places in the decimal side. So next one 7231 upon 1000. So in 1000 there are three zeros are there. So in the decimal representation there should have three decimal places. So we take three places from right to left. So 1 2 3. So in the answer would be 7.231. See next we have 2 upon 10. We have to write 2 upon 10, 2 upon 100, 2 upon 1000. See, so first of all, the first one 2 upon 10. So in the answer there should have 10 is a two digit number. So in the answer also there should have two places. So numerator is 2 and in the answer there should have two places. So I added 1 0 to the left side of 2, and 10 has only 1 0. From left side, from right to left I have to go one place. So from here I moved from 1. So I have to insert decimal between 0 and 2. So I get the answer as 0.2. Next 2 upon 100. So in the number 200 has three places. So in the numerator only one digit is there. So I put 2 there, and since there are three places in 100 I have to insert two zeros before 100. And 100, how many zeros are there? There are two zeros in 100. So I have to insert from right to left. I have to give two places. I have to move two places, 1 2. So where I have to place decimal point between 0 and 0. So the answer would be, the answer is 0.02. And the last one 2 upon 1000. So in 2 upon 1000 there are total 4 places are there. So in the answer also there should have 4 places. So in numerator is a single digit, one digit number. So I write 2 and I need to have 4 places. So 1 is there. So remaining 3 places I give 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So one extra is there. So 1 2 3 4 is there, and number of 0 in 1000 is 3. There are 3 zeros in 1000. So I have to insert decimal point. I have to start from right to left, 1 2 3 0. So 3 places. So I have to insert decimal point at this place. So it is 0.002. So the answer is 2 upon 1000 is 0.002. So after writing, it is very easy to check your answer. If 10 is there, in 10 only 1 0, see one decimal place is there. 100 2 0, two decimal place. 1000 3 0, 3 decimal place. So we already learned this, how to represent a fraction to decimal if the denominator is 10, 100 or 1000. Suppose if the denominator is not 10, 100 or 1000. So it is very easy. If the denominator is 10, 100 or 1000, we can easily represent them in terms of decimals. But in case if the denominators are not 10, 100 or 0, what we do? So let us see first example, 1 upon 2. So here the denominator is not 10, not 100, not 1000. So in this case we can take the equivalent fraction in which I can change the denominator as 10, 100 or 1000. So here I need to, if I can easily get the denominator 10 by multiplying 2 by 5. So I get it as 2 into 5, I get 10. And since I multiplied by 5 to get denominator 10, I have to multiply numerator also by 5. So I get 5 upon 10. So 5 upon 10, we already know it would be 1 0 is the one decimal place. So the answer is 0.5. 0.5 is the answer. Let us see another example. If the fraction is 3 upon 25, suppose if it is 3 upon 25, denominator is neither 10 nor 100 nor 1000. So what we do here? Here I can make the denominator easily 100. So what number should I multiply to get 100? 25 times 4 is 100. So the same number I have to multiply on numerator also. So 3 times 25. 3 times 25, what we get? It is 75. So it is divided by 100. Now the denominator is 100. So I can easily represent in terms of decimal. So how many places I have to move? 2 places from right to left. So the answer is 1, 2. So in front of 7, decimal point is there. So 0.75 is the answer. 0.75. And see a few more examples. 2 upon 5. So how do I write 2 upon 5? The denominator is 5. And I need to get the denominator 10, 100 or 1000. So to get denominator 10, I can easily get the denominator 10 by multiplying 5 by 2. So I can get 5 2s are 10. So along with 5 I multiply 2. So the numerator also, along with numerator also, I must multiply by 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 tenths. It is 4 tenths or 4 upon 10. 4 tenths is 0.4. See a few more examples. 9 by 20. So how do I write 9 by 20? 9 by 20, I have to get the denominator to be 10, 100 or 1000. So it is easy to get the denominator 100. If I multiply 20 by 5, so I can get the denominator 100. 20 times 100, 20 times 5 is 100. So in order to get 100, I multiply 20 with 5. So numerator also I have to multiply by 5. 9 5s are 45. So 45 hundredths. So I have to go for 2 places from right to left. So 1, 2. So the answer is 0.45. The answer is 0.45. Let us see the last example. 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. So I need to get denominator 10, 100 or 1000. So 4 into any number is not 10. So let us see 4 into which number we get 100. So 4 times 25 is 100. So 4 times 25 is 100. Since to get the denominator 100, I multiplied the denominator by 25. So I have to multiply the numerator also by the same 25. So 3 times 25 is 75. So the final answer we get 0.75. I hope you understood. Thank you all of you. Have a great day.